Dee, let's bring in Connie Macabella of Kindred Ventures, talk more about Coin. Connie, great to have you back. Thanks for kicking off the hour. We've had about a day or so here, or at least a couple of days, to chew on the business model over there, the reference price, the open. What do you think has not yet been said that needs to be said about this particular company and the opportunities that at least the bulls argue it'll bring about?
Thanks for having me back on. It's a pleasure to see you all. And I was actually interested hearing the conversation between John and Dee, because there's a question as to whether or not Coinbase is building an exchange, whether they're building a bank, or whether they're building something different. And I think the most enlightened reading, and the reading that those who are optimistic about the company would say, is that it is indeed something different. And it's a on-ramp onto the global crypto network. It's a software company that's building that on-ramp. And so in the same way that it wouldn't really make sense to think of the social media as media, because it's so much more and it's so much different, and it encompasses media, but it actually extends it further. I think the same is actually true for programmable money, which is what cryptocurrency actually is. And what Coinbase has done is it's created the first secure, with a focus on security, scalable and institutional grade on-ramp into this global crypto network. And so I actually think that's the most important story for what they're building.
You know, you mentioned the on-ramp. That's the exact same phrase that BTIG uses in their initiation today. They go to buy 500. An on-ramp for mainstream crypto investors, leveraging the platform for institutional investors. But Kanye, you know, Larry Fink of BlackRock this morning on our air said the conversation, at least with his clients, regarding crypto remains minor. What happens if crypto ETFs crop up all over the place? How much liability is in the Coinbase name if those things do happen?
That's a fair question. And I think the first thing to note is, even from the very, very beginning of Coinbase's days, when they hired their first employee, Olaf, their focus was on security. And their focus was on security, even sometimes at the expense of some of the other things like performance and moving fast. And so it's my belief, first of all, that they're going to actually be a really resilient company because of how much infrastructure they've built in cold storage and offline storage and really protecting it. As for the volatility of the currencies themselves, that's something that the market's going to have to be educated about, and is something that's changing currency by currency. And so if you look at Bitcoin over the course of the last 10 years, its volatility has actually been slowly tightening, and there have been moments of volatility, but it's tightening. Meanwhile, the 30 other currencies that have been added to the platform are still in their early germination phases. And so I think what needs to be educated about in the market is actually the nature of an emerging cryptocurrency and how to think about it. But that's very different than whether or not there's a fundamental concern for liability for the platform itself.